Γεια σας! Καλώς ήρθατε σε ένα ακόμη μάθημα. In a previous lesson, we learned how to use the word sun to make similes and how to use it to introduce adverbial clauses of time. Today again we will talk about this small word. I am going to explain to you the differences between the words sun and os. To be honest, I just filmed a video about it for my Greek students because it is a common mistake that many native Greek speakers make. Also, in one of the next lessons, I am going to explain to you all the possible ways to use the word os, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular lessons and let's get started. We already know that we use the word sun in similes. Πεινάω σαν λύκος. Πεινάω σαν λύκος. I am hungry like a wolf. But you know that I am not a wolf. So we use the word sun to say that someone or something is similar to someone or something else. Γράφει σαν ποιητής. Γράφει σαν ποιητής. He writes like a poet. When I say σαν ποιητής, means that he is not a poet, but the way he writes is so beautiful that he writes as a poet does. Η Μαρία δουλεύει σαν γραμματέας. Η Μαρία δουλεύει σαν γραμματέας. Maria works like a secretary. Η Μαρία είναι φιλόλογος, αλλά δουλεύει σαν γραμματέας. Η Μαρία είναι φιλόλογος, αλλά δουλεύει σαν γραμματέας. Maria is a philologist, but she works like a secretary. So, when I say σαν γραμματέας, means that she studied something else, but she works like a secretary. On the other hand, we use the word os to give to someone a real quality. For example, ο άντρας μου εργάζεται ως πολιτικός μηχανικός. Ο άντρας μου εργάζεται ως πολιτικός μηχανικός. My husband works as a civil engineer. He is a civil engineer. This is his job because this is what he studied. Ως μητέρα σε συμβουλεύω να περνάς περισσότερο χρόνο με τα παιδιά σου. Ως μητέρα σε συμβουλεύω να περνάς περισσότερο χρόνο με τα παιδιά σου. As a mother, I advise you to spend more time with your kids. Ως μητέρα, it means that I am a mother, I have my own kids. Native Greek speakers use the two words interchangeably, and they think that the only difference is that os is more formal than san. This is wrong. As you can understand, the meaning of the two words is completely different. Very often we hear members of parliament or even prime ministers saying «Εμείς, σαν κυβέρνηση, we like government», and they don't realize that with this phrase they mean that they are not government. Εγώ, σαν πρωθυπουργός, I like a prime minister, it means that he is not the prime minister. The correct phrase is εγώ ως πρωθυπουργός. Now it means that he is the prime minister. And let's see the last example. Εργάζομαι ως καθηγήτρια. Εργάζομαι ως καθηγήτρια. I work as a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a certified teacher. But η Μαρία από τότε που πήγε στην Αμερική εργάζεται σαν καθηγήτρια ελληνικών. Η Μαρία από τότε που πήγε στην Αμερική, εργάζεται σαν καθηγήτρια ελληνικών. Maria, by the time she went to America, she works like a teacher of Greek. Σαν καθηγήτρια. She teaches Greek, but she is not a certified teacher. And that's all for today. Don't forget to write in the comments your own examples with the words σαν and ως to let me know if you know now the difference. Also, don't forget that you can find this lesson's notes in my blog. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, show me your love by giving a thumbs up and by writing a comment, and support me by subscribing to my channel. Να είστε όλοι καλά και να περνάτε καλά. Εμείς θα τα πούμε πολύ σύντομα. Γεια σας!